warmly welcome customers from Kazakhstan to visit EagerLED Company. In this rare visit, we will first take you into the LED screen exhibition hall to showcase our latest LED technology and products. You will witness with your own eyes our company's outstanding achievements in the LED field, as well as diversified LED screen application scenarios. We hope to provide you with a comprehensive product understanding. Next, we will take you deep into the LED aging workshop and demonstrate the production process of LED modules. This session not only allows you to understand our strict quality control in production, but also gives you the opportunity to gain an in-depth understanding of our technical processes and innovations. We noticed your strong interest in LED modules. Our professional team will introduce to you in detail the characteristics, performance and advantages of LED modules in different applications. We look forward to showing you the professional strength and innovative capabilities of EagerLED through this visit, while also deepening our cooperation and exchanges. Thank you for visiting, and we look forward to establishing a closer partnership with you.